Hello, my name is David Cordova, and we installed solar panels in our house. When we started the process of looking for a company to install our solar panels, one of our worries was the edge of our roof. We had a 15-year-old roof, and we wanted to make sure that the roof was in good shape to be able to install the panels on top of the roof. We got our roof inspected, and it turned out that the roof had hail damage from its hailstorm, and it needed to be replaced. And so we did a little bit of research, and we found other companies to come and inspect the roof, and we decided to go with JC&C Roofing because of the attention to detail that they have, and they were always very willing and able to answer our questions that we had and answer our concerns. They came a few days before our panel installation to install a roof, and they installed a impact-resistant roof that basically gave us peace of mind because we won't have to worry about getting the roof replaced after the panels were already installed. This roof also has the algae resistance, so it won't lose the color. And we're very happy with our roof. They were actually able to come back after the panels were installed to check that there were no leaks from the roofing, from the installation of the solar panels, and also to ensure that any damage caused by the installation was replaced. They were kind enough to replace it for us without any additional costs, and we're really happy with JC&C Roofing. We highly recommend it to you if you're worried about the installation of your solar panels in an old roof. You can have them come and install your roof and work with your insurance company to get your roof replaced with an impact-resistant roof that will last for as long as you had your panels. Thank you, JC&C Roofing.